Hey guys, Dr. Mopar is working on this 383 project for Roadrunner. Got the 440 source, rear main sealed retainer, and going to show you guys a install. It's a little bit of a pain on any of these big blocks doing this, as many times we've done it. One of the things is to hold the end of these seals, hold a little bit of pressure on there. Sometimes I'll sit there and I'll just have it slightly up until I get it situated here. I'll try to start at a slight angle. As you can see, they want to push up. So I'll keep working with it just a little bit. Slid down where I want it. So as you see, you just cock it at a slight angle here. Zoom in a little bit to show the ends here. Okay. Keep pressure on those side seals. See if we can get this bad boy to go in where we want it. It's a little bit of a pain at times. If it comes up like that, slide it back up, push it back in. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing to stay in this time. Of course not. They still want to fight a little bit to get down. Now we did scuff the sides a little bit with a Scotch-Brite. You still want to have a tight fit with your side seals here. Try to push it down a little bit past this if I can to make it even up once I get it pushed down in there. A lot of guys used to take RTV, put it in the side, take pipe cleaners, put it in there, and then trim off, which is a lot easier that way. But you want to try to use these side seals, which if you get them right, you will get a lot better seal in here. And some big blocks go in easy. We've had ones that went in easy, and we've had ones that have been tedious like this to get in there. I ain't got much more. Just keep working with it and Just a hair more that I want it down. Not a perfectionist by any means, but I am very meticulous about when I'm doing these motors. Just like that. Nice and flush. We'll put the bolts in. Hope this helped you guys out a little bit. Have a good day.